What if drones could monitor power lines autonomously, without constant battery changes or human intervention? Introducing LKX-DRONE, an advanced solution that enables drones to charge directly from power lines, eliminating range limitations and making continuous aerial inspections a reality. As the drone docks onto the LKX-DRONE charging station, it seamlessly recharges, extending its operational uptime without the need for ground crews or manual battery swaps. As it flies, the drone autonomously photographs each mast, detecting issues like damaged insulators, loose components, and vegetation encroachment. Each inspected mast is marked complete, ensuring full grid coverage. Charging stations are strategically placed every 13 kilometers, creating an uninterrupted inspection network that covers long-distance powerline corridors efficiently. Once fully charged, the drone resumes its mission, flying along the corridor, scanning infrastructure, and capturing critical inspection data. With its battery depleted, the drone returns to the nearest charging station, recharges, and continues scanning, removing the need for manual battery swaps or ground support. This seamless cycle allows the drone to leapfrog across the network, traveling from one charging station to the next, maintaining efficiency over long distances. By repeating this process, the entire powerline corridor is inspected, ensuring every mast is monitored with precision and consistency.